Cold, cold world. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anonymous and today I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and I'm doing a different video. And it's going to be my monthly hair care routine. So this is basically my hair in its natural state. I just combed it out with a wide tooth comb. What I'm about to do is my monthly wash. I wash my hair once a month. Sometimes it goes over a month, but I make sure I wash it like every 4 to 5 weeks. So my hair is natural. I've been natural for about 2.5 years, and I I wore a lot of weave when I first started transitioning, and so now that I am completely natural, I really don't know what to do with my hair. So I've decided to dedicate some time to natural hair, playing with different hairstyles and different stuff on my channel so that I can maybe help someone that's in the same boat as me that don't know what to do with their natural hair except for wear extensions or braids. I'm not a wig type of girl, but I mean, we have to embrace the natural hair. It's a long process and we just cover it up. So I feel like we're gonna do some different things. We're gonna spice it up and do some with the natural hair. I'm about to grab my not wash powder, my shampoo and conditioner. What I'll be using is Garnier Whole Blend, the Oat Delicacy. I This is my second time purchasing this. The first time I didn't use it, I kind of gave it away. I only used it like twice, and I let somebody else have it. So this time I'm gonna use this all for myself. But I did like the way that it lather up and cleans my hair. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to wash my hair. I'm gonna come back and condition and moisturize for you guys. Okay, so I have washed my hair twice, as you can see by my shirt. So what I'm about to do now is condition. Um, this is my hair. This is me, guys. Embrace, embrace. So what I'm about to do next is condition, and I do my own form of condition. I know people say you should deep condition your hair, which I do that sometimes, but the way that I do my hair, I don't really think that I need a deep condition, but this is what I do. So I grab some conditioner and a wide tooth comb. I start out with a little bit on my hand, and I just rub it in and just start. I mean, if you're a natural, you understand the process of doing your hair. I mean, I have to comb my hair while it's wet. That's why I do my hair the way that I do it. Go in, try to get conditioner all over, all across. I really don't focus on putting it on my scalp. So I just start at the end of my hair and just get enough on to comb it out. And then I go back in and make sure that I really put it in my hair. Okay, so I just got done washing my conditioner out. I did let it sit for 10 minutes. So now that my hair is clean, feeling, I'm going to grab my wide tooth comb and I'm just going to go through my hair again. I'm gonna part my hair in two parts because I don't know where my hair clips are at the moment. So what I'm about to do is just part it straight down the middle, all the way front to back in two big sections. And then I'm gonna grab me a hair tie and just separate the two sections. I look so weird. But anyway, the next thing that I like to do is moisturize my hair. And so what I'm going to be using in this video today is this right here, TCB Hair Scalp Conditioner with olive oil and vitamin E. I ran across this at Walmart actually, and it was a bit, I don't remember what I paid for it because I've been having it for a while now. So I've used it a few times here and there, and it smells really, really good. And this part of my routine is, it could be up for debate, or it could be something where we do different things, but the way I moisturize my hair, I moisturize my hair, not my scalp, because I find that when I moisturize my scalp, it makes my scalp like really itchy and flaky. Which has been working for me is to moisturize my hair, just my hair, not my scalp. So what I do is I grab some of this product, and it's kind of like, it turns into like a greasy, oily kind of texture consistency. So I just start from the bottom like I always do. I start at the bottom of my hair, and I did, you see that I section my big part into two sections. So I just start at the bottom, and I put some more on my hand, and like, you can be as generous as you want with this product because it just depends on how your hair takes oil and moisture in. So I am a bit generous with mine, and as you can see, I'm not oiling my scalp. I'm simply oiling my hair because your hair works its way up to, the oil is going to work its way up to your scalp. What I'm going to do is simply just do a twist out, and I'm probably going to sleep with a my hair bonnet on in a shower cap to keep my pillow from getting wet. The only thing with that is I hope that it doesn't come off. So what I'm going to do is just simply grab some hair, and it doesn't really matter how you do this. This is the way I do it. Either I twist my hair or I braid it. In this case, I'm going to just twist it in big plaits just to keep it sectioned off and keeping it from getting tangled or whatever. So I'm just going to keep on going with that. Just simply, like, it really doesn't matter the size that you do it. Me, I'm just doing something really fast because I'm actually like a bit sleepy, if you will, because I have been to work today. So I'm just doing something really quick and easy for me. this is the finished look. I don't know how the back looks, so don't talk about me. But I know I look funny, but like I said, this is an easy way for my hair to dry and to keep my hair from detangling. So what I do after that, if you want to, you can put some more of whatever moisturizer you're using on your hair, or you can spray it with some leave-in conditioner. I usually use either this leave-in conditioner or this one. I like this one the best because it doesn't leave product buildup on your hair. It's just simply light. So I just spray. And then I grab a stocking cap. Not a stocking cap. Wow. A shower cap to keep my pillow from getting wet because I am about to go to bed. Then I grab whatever hair bunny I'm going to wear at night, which is going to be this one. Just simply throw it on. You can tie your hair up with a hair net and then put your bunny on to make sure it don't fall off if you're a heavy sleeper. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some helpful information from this video. I will be uploading more hair care and skincare videos on my channel, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, then subscribe and click that bell to get notified so you won't miss a video. Thanks for watching.